फेमिना से हम सब रिलेट करते हैं बिकॉज फेमिना एक वुमेंस की मैगजीन है एंड इट ऑनर्स वुमेंस फ्रॉम ऑल फील्ड, नॉट जस्ट फ्रॉम द ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री बट वुमेन फ्रॉम ईच एंड एवरी फील्ड. सो दैट्स वेरी वेरी अपलॉड वर्दी एंड फेमिना का अवार्ड है तो वी शुड ऑल बी हियर टू सपोर्ट इट.
इसमें देखा जाए तो सिर्फ एक पर्टिकुलर चीज़ को नहीं, जैसे ग्लैमर को लेकर नहीं चला जा रहा है, टोटली इम्प्रूव किया जा रहा है इतना बट इसका
आई थिंक वही बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात है बिकॉज सिर्फ ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री में ही नहीं बट विमेन इन ऑल फील्ड्स अपना मार्क इस्टेब्लिश कर रही हैं और उन सब वुमेंस को सम्मानित करना चाहिए बिकॉज ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री में होने की वजह से हमें रिकॉग्निशन ज़्यादा मिलती है. पर किसी भी फील्ड में हो बट रिकॉग्निशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि अगर हम उन्हें अप्रिशिएट करें उनके काम को और रिकॉग्नाइज करें.
मैंने देखा नहीं था डायरेक्ट टच हो गया, एक्टिव टच हो, प्रोड्यूस हो चुकी है जीएसटी अभी 21 जुलाई से लागू हो रहा है, इसका क्या कहना है?
क्या चीज़?
जीएसटी
आई थिंक इट्स कम्प्लीटली फाइन आई बिलीव.
इसके साथ
जी. I won't like to comment on that. I'm completely with it. So I'm just scripting right now और जब script complete होगी तो मैं casting करूँगी.
Hello, gentlemen. What do I have to say about Femina Women Empowerment? अमोल जी कैसे हो? नींद आ रही है यार आपको यार, क्या बात है, आज बारिश हो ज़्यादा हो गई क्या? Okay, so I think it's a great event and most importantly the intention of any event matters a lot and the intention of this particular event is women empowerment, something that we have been speaking a lot about and something that we have all trying to be working on and trying to empower our women, that is our friends, our daughters, our sisters, our mothers, everything. But in general, empowering this particular gender in this time, it reflects two things. The awareness in our society and at the same time the lack of it in our society as well. So, whoever is involved in this event, I want to congratulate them and the women who will be winning the awards, especially because it's not only the symbolization of the fact that you are empowering the society, but it's also the fact that yes, we definitely need a lot of you and more power to all of you and to the dreams that you have, and may we shall always be helpful and supportive to the cause and the causes that you are supporting. Thank you. GST का women empowerment से क्या लेना? To be very honest, GST. What is your question? You want me to say something about GST? So being an actor, GST has there is a certain percentage involved in the as far as our service tax is concerned. I think from what my CA told me, we will have to gather a lot of data and then I think we will have to set up a system. But any new introduction to the system will take a lot of opposition and for it, pros and cons. So I think I have nothing to do against. My CA was definitely crying that he will have to gather a lot of data. I'm working on a Telugu film with Ravi Teja in South. One of my other Hindi film called Umid will be releasing very soon, and another Gujarati film that I have worked on. And besides that, I will start off another big project in Hindi by this month, 3rd week. Thank you. Nina, huh?
सर सामने सर राइट में सर यहाँ पे इस तरफ हाँ लेफ्ट साइड रोलिंग
Very excited. I've been reading Femina as a child growing up, and I'm so happy to be a part of this, and I want to thank Femina for having me here tonight. I think there are a lot of women of substance, and I'm so excited to meet them, interact with them, and just be a part of the whole thing. So yeah, it's going to be a fun night. बहुत excited हूँ. Very, very excited. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. ये सॉरी क्या बोला आपने? क्या आप फिर से बोलिए प्लीज. ये एक शेड्यूल इनिशिएटिव ठीक है. I think it's very important to recognize people, whether they're men or women. People work very hard to be successful and to earn a living, and I think it's great that Femina is supporting a lot of very successful women here tonight. It's inspiring. I'm sure there are a lot of little girls out there who will be very, very inspired after reading the next issue about tonight and reading up about all these wonderful women. Thank you. Hi.
Yeah, I connect very strongly, first of all, to women. And I do believe in the empowerment of women. So I'm very happy to be here in the presence of such achievers from all walks of life to share the same room, the same energy, the same inspiration. Maybe hear their stories today on stage. So it's a very good initiative. I saw my mom read Femina all her life, so it's quite an honor for me to be here. I am, yes. I'm very low on expectations at this point in my life. So whoever wins, I'll be happy for them. I'm just happy to be nominated and be here.
Last question. Everybody wants to know that GST is going to come soon. Everybody is really worried about it. What's your opinion on that? क्या लगता है क्या है? Do you have any idea what is the GST that is going to come?
I think let's see. Taxations हर कुछ महीने बदलते जा रहे हैं. So GST के साथ क्या आएगा वो अभी हम at least I cannot guess that yet. So let's see. Hopefully it will streamline all the other taxes because with service tax going so high, it's been scaring the whole market. So hopefully with GST just streamlining everything, it might become better as well. We hope it becomes better. Positivity is always good. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks. आपने बहुत टाइम से वेट कर रहे हैं ना सब मैं भी
Yes, ma'am. सामने
One of them is the dirtycamera.com. And then you go online and say milkyboobs.com.